Hello everybody, so today I'm gonna show you how to use a forensic tool called dc3dd. Let me just put my password. First of all, you need to search this. So here is our forensic tool and I have already installed it. So this is how you get started with. So this might take a few seconds to just install. Okay, now that has been done, so here is my memory dump folder. I guess I need to do fd disk, so all my disks. Once I go up, so what I'm trying to do is to demonstrate this tool. So for this, let me use this device location, and it has 512 MB. So this will work because I have only 6 GB space left. So I'm gonna copy that memory location, right? How we gonna use a dcd if is equivalent to input, or this is the device. So let me just paste it, right? So this is our device, and let's use log. Log will output the error. Then let us dump that file called 512 MB, then off log, then dd, then let's do enter, then let's wait for it. That has been done. Let's show the file. So we have the file, right? We have the file and we have the log file, so we can just do log file. So here what we are gonna do is to give a hash, so later on we can check whether it has been tampered or not. So let's do enter. So let's wait a few seconds. So here is our MD5 hash, and we can just copy this. So this MD5 hash is important because your initial report memory is tampered or not, we will know. So let's keep it. So suppose you have a 8 GB or 80 GB of hard drive. So if you want to make it portion of like 1 GB at a time, so here is the command for that. So we can just do sudo dc3dd if. So here, oh, that's not it. So let me just go up, right? And let me get started from here. And here what we can do is let's use a log file and dump file. After that, what we are gonna do is we are gonna split that 512 MB in 100 MB each. So we can split it and make output as split digital evidence .img.00. Then let's do enter. I can just do show you the file size. So we have 5 images, and this is like 12 MB, and this is 500 MB. Thank you guys.